Okay, so our gelatin had started to kind of thicken back up, as you can see. There we go, so you can see a little better. So all I did was go ahead and put it back in our water bath, and I'm just heating it very, very lightly back up. You don't want to have it on like a hard boil or anything like that. You don't want to introduce any extra steam or moisture into it. So just keep it on a very, very low heat, and it'll melt right back down. Now while we're getting this to come back to the consistency we want to brush onto our sheets, I'm also going to go ahead and add a little bit of my antique silk luster dust. Now a little bit of this stuff goes a long way, so don't dump. You just kind of want to add a few little sprinkles at a time, if you can, just until you get the amount of sparkle you want. And the great thing about using this antique silk color is it's very, very subtle, which is what we want. We don't want it to be super sparkly or glitzy. We're just trying to add a little bit of natural iridescence to our wings. You can see we're starting to accomplish that. I think I'm going to go ahead and add just a tiny, tiny bit more. Get it nice and stirred in, and finish heating this up to the right consistency. Now the reason I chose the antique silk for our wings is because I didn't really want to add all that much additional color. You could also have used a pearl white. I wanted to really play on the natural color of the gelatin in this case. But if you are looking to do perhaps butterfly wings or something that you want to be brightly colored, you can use this same technique by using either the firming up. And you notice it gets like this, and it's no longer easy to brush on. So what I will do is I will just put this right into the water bath on the stove, and that will melt our gelatin back down without having to reheat it in the microwave.